Imagine a device so thin it feels like you're holding a piece of glass from the future, yet so powerful it leaves the Pro models in the dust. This isn't just another incremental update. This is the 2026 iPhone Air 2, the device that officially marks the end of the bulky smartphone era. For years, we've heard the rumors, seen the failed prototypes, and waited for Apple to finally solve the thermal physics of a razor-thin chassis, and folks, the wait is over. The iPhone Air 2 is a total engineering miracle, utilizing a new high-density solid-state battery technology that allows for a frame just 5 millimeters thick without sacrificing a single minute of battery life. When you pick this up, the first thing you'll notice is the weight, or rather, the lack of it. It's constructed from a proprietary grade 5 titanium alloy that feels impossibly light, yet stronger than any iPhone we've seen before. But it's not just about the look, it's about what's happening under that ultra-sleek hood. The A19 chip is here, and it's built on a revolutionary 2-nanometer process that makes multitasking feel like child's play. We're talking about desktop-class performance in a device that fits in your breast pocket like a credit card. The display is a breakthrough too, featuring the new Airflow LTPO panel that eliminates the bezel entirely, giving you a true edge-to-edge visual experience that looks like the content is floating in mid-air. And for those worried about the cameras in such a thin body, Apple has introduced a liquid lens system that retracts when not in use, offering 10x optical zoom without the dreaded camera bump. This is the ultimate flex for 2026, a phone that looks like a piece of art but performs like a workstation. If you've been holding onto your iPhone 13 or 14 waiting for a reason to upgrade, this is the sign you've been looking for. The iPhone Air 2 isn't just a phone. It's a glimpse into the next decade of human communication. And once you see it in action, there is absolutely no going back to anything else. But let's talk about what it actually feels like to live with this device, because that's where the real magic happens. Apple has reinvented the haptic engine, giving you AirTouch feedback that simulates physical buttons on a frame that is completely seamless. No volume rockers, no power switch, just pure, responsive titanium. This isn't just for aesthetics. It makes the iPhone Air 2 the first fully waterproof and dust-proof device that can literally survive a dive to the bottom of a pool without a single port to worry about. And for the gamers and creators out there, don't let the slim profile fool you. Thanks to a new graphene-based cooling system, the A19 chip runs cooler than the previous Pro models, allowing you to edit 8K ProRes video or play AAA console-quality titles for hours without a hint of thermal throttling. It's a powerhouse that refuses to compromise. The software experience is where the iPhone Air 2 truly pulls ahead of the competition. iOS 20 has been built from the ground up to utilize the Airflow display, featuring a fluid UI that wraps around the edges of the device, making notifications feel like they're part of the physical frame. With the integration of Apple's next-gen neural engine, Siri is no longer just an assistant. It's a proactive AI that anticipates your next move, managing your schedule in your smart home with zero latency. Imagine walking into your room and having your phone instantly beam its display onto your wall via a new ultra-wideband projection tech built into the camera housing. This is the ecosystem at its absolute peak, and it makes every other smartphone on the market feel like a relic from the past. Now, I know what you're thinking. A device this thin, this powerful, and this futuristic must cost a fortune, right? Well, the rumors from the supply chain suggest Apple is targeting a surprisingly competitive price point to force a mass migration of users. They aren't just looking to sell a phone. They are looking to reset the industry standard. We're expecting an official reveal this September, with pre-orders likely breaking every record in Apple's history. If you've been waiting for a reason to jump back into the Apple ecosystem, or if you've just been bored with the same old rectangular slabs we've had for a decade, the iPhone Air 2 is the answer. It's sleek, it's terrifyingly fast, and it's finally here to change everything. The question isn't WHE. Though you want one, it's how fast you can get your hands on it before it sells out globally.